a new look, and an even sharper user experience, all with minimal effort. That's the power of low code and exactly what Zoho Creator's latest updates deliver to your app. So let's walk you through how to make it happen. Start with a bold refresh using our all-new theme gallery. Pick a styling package and transform your app's entire skeleton. Fonts, colors, layouts, all tailored to match your brand identity. But it's not just about looks. These themes put usability front and center, with cleaner layouts and smoother navigation across modules, so you can get where you need to go faster. Want to go deeper? Dive into the nitty-gritty and hyper-customize your app using the UI Hub. Gain precise control, right down to the pixel. Component spacing, borders, backgrounds, and more. Every detail is yours to define. And because it's the small touches that truly elevate your app, we've included subtle but effective enhancements, a brand color picker, leaderboards, action-triggering buttons, and more. Now, let's turn to customizing your user access gateway. With multiple pages, menus, rich content blocks, and more, you can create a first impression that's as polished as the experience that follows. Finally, build apps that are welcoming for everyone. Accessibility is seamlessly built in from the ground up. So go on, give your apps a complete makeover.